Hello?
Hello?
Hold on. I'm sorry. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I'm trying to start my my camera. Okay. Sorry, my camera wouldn't come on.
Good morning. All right, let's go. Let's open it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning. The 36th District Court for the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge John Perkins presiding. While you're in court, please have all devices on mute. If you cannot mute your device, please remain silent. You should be in a well-lit area and you should be sitting up. Please remove all hats and ladies, please be well dressed. Good morning, Your Honor.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la Corte 36 del Distrito del Estado de Michigan. Esta corte entra en sesión con el honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras la corte esté en sesión, por favor, asegúrese de que su audio está funcionando y mantenga su micrófono en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. Debe estar en esta corte apropiadamente vestido, derecho y quieto en un solo lugar. En esta corte tampoco se permite estar comiendo, hablando, manejando ni fumando y no debe tener ningún tipo de sombrero o cachucha a menos que sea por razones religiosas o médicas. Bienvenidos a la Corte de Servicio Comunitario.
Okay. Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Ms. Williams-Law, are we ready?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Hernandez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, qualified as CAO, qualified Spanish interpreter, number 15575.
All right. Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
And when you raise your right hand, please.
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to start with the reviews, and then after I do the reviews, I'm going to let Ms. Buenteo introduce community court.
Así que primero vamos a llamar a los casos que están aquí para una revisión y después vamos a permitir a la señora Buenteo a que nos explique un poco más de lo que es la corte comunitaria.
All right. Yusuf was, this is the city of Detroit versus Yusuf Hussein Ahmed, case number SP 1747339. Mr. Ahmed, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Yusuf Ahmed.
All right, good morning, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service, and I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that, and for that, I'm going to dismiss your case, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Is City of Detroit versus Lexter Arandando Yemen, case number SP 175-52521. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Emma.
Este es el caso del señor Lexter Arredondo Yumán, número de caso SP 175-52-521. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Lexter Joel Arredondo Yumán.
Lexter Noel Arredondo Yumán.
All right, good morning to you, sir. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Señor, buenos días. Veo que se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario y veo que ya las ha hecho. Le damos muchas gracias por ello y con esto va a ser desestimado su caso. Eso es todo por el día de hoy. Se puede retirar.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Está bien, señor. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Ok.
Ok.
This is the city of Detroit versus Marcelino Chavez Gonzalez, case number SP 157977363. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Marcelino Chávez González. Número de caso SP 157-97363. Buenos días, usted, señor, y díganos su nombre.
Marcelino Chavez Gonzalez, can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Marcelino Chávez González, ¿puede usted, por favor, prender su micrófono e identificarse?
Simón Javier Lara Gutiérrez.
Simón Javier Gutiérrez.
Lara Gutiérrez.
Lara Gutiérrez, this is someone else, Your Honor, speaking in.
Buenos días, Marcelino Chávez González.
Good morning, Marcelino Chávez González.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for review. You were ordered to do, I see you did 24 hours of community service. I think it was supposed to just be 12, so you went over and above. But nevertheless, we thank you for the community service, and for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Había ordenado yo, veo aquí que usted hizo 24 horas de servicio comunitario. Yo le había ordenado 12, pero veo que usted hizo mucho más. Reconociendo eso, yo le quiero dar las gracias y vamos a desestimar a su caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Good morning. All right, thank you so much.
Muchísimas gracias a usted, señor.
Right, this is the city of Detroit versus Terry M. Daniel, case number SP 176-09162 and SP 176-09493. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Daniel. Good morning to you. Mr. Terry Daniel. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Terry Daniel. Terry M. Daniel.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service, and in lieu of fines and costs, we allowed you to do the other 6 hours of community service to clear up the civil infraction. I thank you for the community service. I see that you did the 18 hours of community service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor and I'm going to close the civil infraction out. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. You still owe this $240. That wasn't, that didn't come from me. So there's nothing I can do about that as far as that old case that you had, but we'll close.
I paid the $240, Your Honor.
It doesn't show that it's paid. Well, maybe you're going to have to bring your receipt down to the court and see if we can clear that up.
Because
Unless you just did it. I printed it out just earlier this morning.
What was that 240 for the previous case or the case that you hearing me on now?
No, the previous case, the no ops. That was something I think came from another.
Right. I definitely paid that 240, Your Honor. So I have to see what's going on with that.
Okay. Well, we thank you for the community service, and your cases are here. One is dismissed, the other one's closed out, sir. Yeah. I wish
Thanks
you
a
the
lot,
best.
Your Honor. I appreciate you. You have a blessed day.
You have a better one. Thank you. All right. City of Detroit versus Connor.
I can leave
Gabble.
now.
Yeah, you can leave, sir. Best of luck
Thank
to you. City of Detroit versus Connor Gabor. Case number SP 167-62491. Mr. Gabor, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Hey, good morning. Connor Gabor.
Mr. Gabor, today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Thank you.
If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
This is the City of Detroit versus Markeisha Lynette Gray. Case numbers SP 159450881, SP 1597178, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1690026, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 169003331, SP 17068041, SP 17406301. Ms. Gray, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Markeisha Lynette Gray.
Good morning, Ms. Gray. You were allowed to do, you were ordered to do a combination of community service and allowed to do community service in lieu of fines and costs. The order was for the misdemeanors, and we allowed you in lieu of fines and costs for the civil infractions. I see that you completed those community service hours. We thank you for that, ma'am. So for that, your misdemeanors are going to be dismissed, and your civil infractions are going to be closed out, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you.
You too. Have a good day, Judge Perkins. Bye-bye.
Thanks. This is the City of Detroit. Is Yalicia Lopez here?
Está aquí la señora Ilucia López.
I think she is.
Yo pienso que ya sí está. I haven't seen her, Your Honor.
Oh, I saw. All right, let's continue on.
Continuemos.
Is Patricia Lovett here? I don't believe I saw her. What about, okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Sergio Morales Perez, case number SP 175-72761. Mr. Perez, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Está bien, vamos a llamar el caso, la ciudad de Detroit llama el caso del señor Adodanae Sergio Morales Pérez, número de caso SP 175-72-761. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Adonanael Sergio Morales Pérez.
Adonanael Sergio Morales Pérez.
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I say you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, sir, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Está bien, señor, hoy es el día y la hora agendada para la revisión de su caso. A usted se le ordenó hacer 2 horas de servicio comunitario, por lo cual le damos las gracias y por lo cual también desestimamos su caso.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Best of luck to you.
La mejor de las suertes para usted, señor.
Ok, bye.
Ok, bye bye.
Is Elsie Cruz here?
¿Está Elsie Cruz aquí?
Sí, aquí estoy.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Buenos días, usted, señora.
Mande. No la escucho.
Oh, I can't hear you.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Oh, buenos días.
Oh, good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Elsie Cruz, case number SP 175-70861. Good morning, state your name, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Elsie Cruz, número de caso SP175-70861. Buenos días, usted, señor, y por favor, díganos su nombre.
Elsie Anayeli Cruz Morales.
Elsie, repita.
Elsie Anayeli Cruz Morales.
Gracias. Elsie Anayeli Cruz Morales.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que le habíamos ordenado que usted cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo también que usted las cumplió. Le queremos dar las gracias y con esto desestimamos a su caso.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
De nada.
Is Xavier Mozart Torres here?
Está aquí el señor Javier Moser Torres.
Javier Mozart Torres. Is the X
Señor
not
Javier
is the
Moser
X silent?
Torres.
It becomes Javier.
It does. The X comes Javier.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. Emily Ovilla.
Está aquí la señora Emily Sarmiento Valle.
Aquí estoy. Buenos días.
Here I am. Good morning.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Emily Ovalle, case number SB 176-39601. Ms. Ovalle, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días. Este es el caso de la señora de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Emily Sarmiento Ovalle, número de caso SP 176-39-601. Señora, buenos días. Usted, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Emily Ovalle.
Emily Ovalle.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Emily Juliana Sarmiento.
Good
Buenos días,
morning.
Emily
My
Juliana
name is,
Sarmiento Ovalle.
my name is Emily Juliana Sarmiento Ovalle.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. Ma'am, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that, ma'am, and for that, we're going to dismiss your case. If you don't have anything further, best of luck. I'm very blessed to know.
Buenos días, señora. Hoy es el día y la hora agendado para la revisión de su caso. Veo que se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Por ello, lo agradecemos mucho y por lo mismo vamos a desestimar su caso. Si no tienen nada que agregar, que tenga un excelente día, ya se puede retirar.
Tengo una pregunta.
I have a question.
What is your question, ma'am?
¿Cuál es su pregunta, señora?
Me llegó una notificación a la casa sobre los tickets, bueno, sobre el ticket, no sé, sobre los cargos, no sé, no entendí muy bien, pero me dice que si me vuelven o sea, digamos, a parar y estoy conduciendo, me dan una orden de arresto, no sé, me decía que tenía 2 puntos, algo así en el récord, no sé, o sea, no sé, no entendí muy bien, pero me llegó eso a la casa.
I received a notification at home for some tickets and for what I could understand, but I don't understand totally. It looks like that I have some tickets that if I didn't appear, I was going to have a warrant, but I'm not sure.
I don't see anything else open for you, ma'am. Everything should be closed out.
Señora, yo no veo aquí nada pendiente para usted. Todo debería estar cerrado. ¿Concluido ya?
Oh, ok, bueno, es que me llegó esa notificación y me decía que tenía 2 puntos, algo del récord, no sé, que por esta misma citación, la del 30, por ese día que me pararon, mejor dicho.
For this, I received something that I have that, and I have 2 points or something like that for this same ticket.
You shouldn't have any points. You shouldn't have any points out of this ticket, ma'am. You got points probably. No, you shouldn't have any points out of this ticket, ma'am.
No, señora, usted no debería tener ningún tipo de puntos para esta multa que le pusieron, esta infracción.
Ok, está bien, eso espero, gracias,
Okay.
muchas gracias.
Good. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Señora, que tenga un excelente día.
Gracias, igual.
Thank you. Same for you.
Is Vicente Jesus Perez here?
Vicente Jesús Pérez, ¿está usted aquí?
Ever Reyes?
Reyes, señor Reyes.
Sí, aquí estoy.
Yes, I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Ever Reyes, case number SP 173-66742. State your name for the record, please.
Your Honor, I'm seeing a different number here.
No, he's Ever Reyes. He may not be on the docket today. He's on the show cause. He's on the show cause docket, I believe.
May I have his number again, sir?
SP 173-66742. It may not be on.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Ever Reyes. Número de caso es 7173-66742. Que usted diga su nombre, por favor, señor.
Ever Eduardo Reyes Ortiz.
Ever Eduardo Reyes Ortiz.
It's on the docket for show cause on October 14th, 2025.
Shut up.
Está este caso suyo en la lista de causas que tenemos programadas para el 14 de octubre del 2025.
I'm gonna interact on his behalf. I'm gonna give him a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0.
And I see that he completed 12 hours of community service. So for that, we're gonna thank you, and for that, we're gonna dismiss your case, okay?
Y veo aquí que usted cumplió 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Reconociendo eso, le doy las gracias y vamos a desestimar a su caso. ¿Está bien?
Está bien.
That's fine.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Muy bien, que tenga muy buen día usted, señor. Y buena suerte.
Muchas gracias igual.
Thank you very much. Same to you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Carlos Reyes Sanabria, case number SP 175-20141. State your, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Juan Carlos Reyes Sanabria, número de caso SP 175-20141. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Señor Sanabria.
Muy buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Juan Carlos Reyes Sanabria.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Juan Carlos Reyes Sanabria.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for review. I see that you can order to do 12 hours of community service. You completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, sir.
Muy buenos días, señor. Veo aquí, hoy es el día y la hora agendado para la revisión de su caso y veo aquí que se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario, lo cual mucho le agradecemos y por lo mismo vamos a desestimar su caso. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya se puede retirar. Que tenga muy buen día.
Muchísimas gracias, su señoría. Dios me lo bendiga.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. God bless you.
You as well. Thank you.
Igualmente para usted, señor. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias a usted, Emma. Dios me la bendiga.
Thank you. Thank you to you, Emma. God bless you. A la orden. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Eduardo Salazar, case number SP 17005181, SP 17005241. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Eduardo Salazar. Números de caso SP17005181 y SP17005241. Buenos días, usted, por favor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta. Señor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Mr. Salazar does appear on Zoom. His audio is not transmitting well, but I believe he can hear us.
El señor Eduardo Salazar ha comparecido por la plataforma de Zoom, que está teniendo unas dificultades con el sonido, pero pienso que él nos puede oír.
So Mr. Salazar, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service for the misdemeanor and allowed to do 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs for the civil infraction.
Así que, señor Salazar, usted le habíamos ordenado que hiciera 12 horas de servicio comunitario para resolver el delito menor y 6 horas de servicio comunitario para la infracción civil en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas.
I see that you completed a total of 18 hours of community service, and we thank you for that.
Veo aquí que usted cumplió 18 horas de servicio comunitario y le queremos dar las gracias por eso.
And for that, we're going to dismiss the misdemeanor and close the civil infraction out.
Y con eso desestimamos el delito menor y el caso que es la infracción civil queda cerrada.
If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Si no tiene algo adicional, señor, le quiero desear muchísima suerte y que tenga usted un buen día.
He waved bye. Take it easy, Mr. Salazar.
Él nos está indicando adiós. Que le vaya bien a usted, señor Salazar.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Juan Jose Rena Reyes, case number SP 174-91411. Good morning to you. State your name, please.
Este es el caso de la
Juan.
ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juan José Reina Reyes, número de caso SP 174-91411. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Juan José Reina Reyes.
Juan José Reina Reyes. Señor, ¿usted necesita intérprete?
No.
No, he doesn't need interpreter, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Mario Vasquez Cruz. Case number SP 174-92071, SP 174-99351. State your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Mario Vázquez Cruz, número de caso SP 174-99351 y SP 174-99251. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Mario Rubén Vázquez Cruz.
Mario Rubén Vázquez Cruz.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, and for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay? Please close your matter out.
Señor, buenos días. Veo que a usted se le ordenó hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario. En cambio de los costos y las multas, veo que ya las ha hecho todas. Por lo mismo, le damos muchísimas gracias y su caso queda desestimado. Que tenga buenos días y ya se puede retirar si no tiene más nada que agregar.
Muchísimas gracias, igual. Dios los cuide.
Thank you very, very much. Same for you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thanks.
Is Sanchez Pedro here?
Y Sánchez Pedro, ¿está aquí?
Yes, Your Honor.
Warren, do you need an interpreter, sir?
No.
This is the city of Detroit versus Pedro Sanchez, case number SP 175-13551. State your name, please, for the record.
Pedro Sanchez.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Sanchez. You had one misdemeanor that we ordered you to do 12 hours of community service, and in lieu of fines and costs for the other 3 civil infractions, you do another 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed a total of 24 hours of community service, and we thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close the civil infractions out and dismiss the misdemeanor. You don't have anything further, Mr. Sanchez. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Best of luck. Okay. Did we never find Jose Carlos's Vincente Pettis, no Trisha Ann Lovett, no Miguel Angel Gutierrez Moranes.
¿Está aquí Miguel Gutiérrez Morones?
Sí.
Yes.
Here, all right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Miguel Angel Gutierrez Morales, case number SP 17307671. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Miguel Gutiérrez Morones, número de caso SP173-07671. Buenos días a usted y díganos su nombre, por favor.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Miguel Ángel Gutiérrez Morones.
Good morning, my name is Miguel Ángel Gutierrez Morones.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Muy bien, señor, este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener el día para reconocer una revisión de su caso. Veo aquí que le habíamos ordenado que usted cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo aquí también que usted las cumplió. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias y su caso queda ahora desestimado.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you so much.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Que tenga usted muy buen día, señor.
Igualmente para ustedes.
Same to everyone there.
Okay, now I'll let Ms. Puenteo introduce community court.
Ahora le voy a pedir a la señora Buentello que ella se presente y explique lo que es la corte comunitaria.
All right, Your Honor. Good morning.
Muy bien, su señoría. Buenos días.
Welcome to Community Court.
Bienvenidos a la corte comunitaria.
The Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is a community justice organization.
El Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit es una comunidad de justicia.
We provide alternative sentencing.
Nosotros proveemos sentencias alternativas
Through this community court program.
a través de este programa de la corte comunitaria.
And this is in partnership with the 36th District Court.
Y nosotros trabajamos conjunto con la Corte de Distrito número 36
and the Detroit Police 4th Precinct.
Y el cuarto precinto de la policía de la ciudad de Detroit.
Where participants in this court can opt into the program.
Y los participantes en esta corte pueden escoger ser parte de este programa.
And complete community service.
Y completan sus horas de servicio comunitario.
And receive additional social support.
Y reciben apoyo social adicional si necesiten.
And have their fines and court costs reduced or dismissed.
Y sus multas y costos de la corte pueden ser reducidas o desestimadas.
Welcome everyone to Community Court.
Le queremos dar la bienvenida a todos a la corte comunitaria.
Okay, let's give by a show of hands in the Zoom room. Who does not want to potentially clear their matter up with community service, does not want to do community service to clear their matter up.
Las personas que no quieran hacer servicio comunitario para resolver su caso, quiero que levanten la mano por el Zoom, por el chat, para que veamos su mano levantada y sabemos que no quieren participar. Los que no quieran participar. Por el chat.
Si quiero hacer trabajo, pero le digo que no.
Buenos días.
Good morning. I'm raising my hand.
Mi nombre es Abelardo López.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus David Torres, case number SP 17746, counts 1 and counts 2.
Good morning, Your Honor. Me, David Torres.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Torres, state your name for the record, please.
David Torres.
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. At this time, we're going to send your client to his alphabet judge, which will be Judge Ramsey Heath, for a pretrial on October the 1st, 2025 at 8:35. Mr. Torres, Judge Heath's Zoom ID is going to be 360-437-0000.
Let me grab a pen to write it down.
With no medical exam required. Starting.
What's the numbers again for the Zoom meeting?
360-437-0000. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay. I was gonna ask you, so you're gonna send me to the other judge?
Yes, I've already sent you there.
Okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, you indicated you didn't want to do community service, so.
Yeah.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Jimenez Rodriguez, case number SP 176-7919-123. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where is he at?
I'm here.
8:35. You interpreter, Mr.
No.
Okay.
He's at 8:35 pre-trial.
Thank you.
Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Rodriguez.
Juan Antonio Jimenez Rodriguez.
All right, good morning to you. The day is date and time set for a pretrial. You indicated that you don't want to do community service. So I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, who will be Judge Larry Williams. Your next court date will be October the 1st, 2025 at 8:35. His Zoom ID is 360-332-0000. All right, if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. Have a good one.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Eduardo Barra, case number SP 177-48301. Mr. Barra, good morning to you. State your name for the appearance for the record, please.
Where is he at?
He's second at the end of 8:30. Do you need an interpreter, Mr. Barra?
No, I'm good.
All right.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name for the record, I'm sorry.
Eduardo Vera.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Vera, you're gonna go to Judge Williams on the 1st of October at 8:35. His Zoom ID is 360-332-0000. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and very good rest of your day.
Can you kindly repeat the numbers again, please?
360-332-0000.
All right, thank you very much. Have a good day too.
You're very much welcome. Best of luck to you. Anyone else does not want to do community service? I thought I saw Lopez.
¿Hay alguien más que no quiera hacer servicio comunitario? Creo que vi al señor López.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Do you not want to do community service, Mr. Lopez?
Señor López, ¿usted no quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario?
No, ya los hice.
No, I already did them.
No, aquí está el papel que traigo.
He's here. I have the paper.
I don't see Lopez. Do you see him on the docket?
In the 8:30, if he's Gustavo Lezama Lopez, fifth line.
Is that you, sir?
Señor, ¿usted es Gustavo Lezama López?
¿Mande?
Señor.
He's Abelardo Lopez Esteban.
Señor, ¿usted es Abelardo López Esteban?
Sí.
Yes, I don't see him either, Your Honor.
Mr. Phillips, did he do community service?
Your Honor, I have to check and see.
All right, very well. Let's get Jose Ramos to his alphabet judge.
Mi nombre es Abelardo López Esteban.
My name is Abelardo López Esteban.
Ya cumplí con las horas que me dijeron. Le entregué el papel a la señora Carmencita.
I already did the hours that I was ordered to do, and I gave my paper to Miss Carmencita.
Okay.
I can double check that 1 second, Your Honor.
We're gonna check
Un
on it.
momento, señoría, voy a chequear eso.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Ramos, case number SP 177-41291, SP 177-4132, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos de la ciudad de Detroit versus Arnoldo Ramos, José Arnoldo Ramos. Número de caso es 1774132, cargos 1, 2 y 3 y SP 1774129. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
Purposes of arraignment, Mr. Berry.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, ¿qué dice usted, señor Berry?
Your Honor, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, mi cliente renuncia que le tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y va a guardar silencio.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to send your client to his alphabet judge, Judge Sherman, for a pretrial on November the 3rd, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Muy bien, así que vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0 y ahora lo vamos a mandar al juez que le va a tocar a él ahora, que es el juez Sherman, para la fecha 3 de noviembre del 2025 a las 9 de la mañana.
That Zoom ID is 360-334-0000.
Y señor, el número para que usted pueda entrar por Zoom ese día es este, 360-334-0000.
If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Si no tiene alguna pregunta, señor, entonces le deseamos todo lo mejor y que tenga muy buen día.
Sí, sí tengo una pregunta. Ya me cambiaron la corte para ese día del 3 de noviembre.
Yes, I do have a question. So my court date has been changed to that date, November 3rd?
Yes.
Sí.
¿Eso qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Cuál es la razón? Porque me han cambiado la corte.
And what is the reason for my court date having been changed?
Because you indicated that you did not want to do community service.
Porque usted indicó que usted no quería hacer servicio comunitario.
Oh.
Oh.
All right, have a great day, sir, and best of luck to you.
Que tenga muy buen día, señor, y buena suerte.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Hello, Your Honor, this is Ms. Buenteo. Yes, I can confirm, Mr. Esteban.
Buenos días, señor, su señoría. Sí, ya yo puedo confirmar las horas del señor Esteban.
Do you have a case number for Mr. Esteban?
¿Usted tiene un número de caso para el señor Esteban, señora Carmen?
I do not have one on hand, Your Honor, just a sheet.
Yo no tengo un número de caso, solo tengo la hoja.
This is the city of Detroit versus Giovanni Monterrubio Silva. Case number S1773762, counts 1 and counts 2. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
No.
State your name for the record, please.
German Monterrubio Silva.
All right, good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
So we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to give your client another court date for October the 27th at 8:35 in front of the Honorable Judge Wagner. Judge Wagner's Zoom ID is 360-331-0000. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. The court was October 29th again at 8:30.
October 27th at 8:35. If you don't have anything further, best of luck to you, sir, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Let's see. This is the city of Detroit. We're gonna think that clears up. Michael Owens, you're gonna be waiting anyway. You're gonna stay with me. You don't want to do community service, Mr. Owens? Did he fall off? All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Juanfra Rosani Guzman Tejada. Case numbers SP1745835, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1770323, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. And SP177033001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood
Este es
S.
el
Berry.
caso de la ciudad de Detroit con la señora Juanfra Guzmán Tejada, número de caso SP-177-03301, SP-177-03 231, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta. Su nombre, por favor.
Juanfra Guzmán.
Juanfra Guzmán.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Berry. I did include some cases that were not on the docket.
Hoy es el día y la hora, señor Berry, establecido para la consulta previa al juicio, y yo incluí algunos casos que no estaban incluidos en la lista de causas para el día de hoy.
You can strike strike SP 1745835, counts 1, 2, and 3 from the record.
Puede usted excluir del acta el número de caso SP 174 5535 2, 3 y 4.
Those cases were already adjudicated.
Esos casos ya fueron adjudicados.
All right, get Ms. Guzman. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señora, la voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, que le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Tenga en cuenta que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, pase a la consulta privada.
¿Puedo hacer una pregunta primero?
First, may I ask you a question?
Talk to Mr. Berry, please.
Habla con el señor Berry, por favor.
Okay.
Okay.
Pass the matter.
Buenos días.
Because he's in Detroit. He is scheduled to come, but he's scheduled to come.
This is the city of Detroit versus Maria Zacharias Lopez, case number SP 177-5994, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 177-6365, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record.
Where is she, Your Honor?
Last one on 8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus María Zacarías López. Números de caso SP177-6365, cargos 1 y 2, y SP177-5994, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Buenos días, su señoría. Habla la abogada Cherika Harris, número de abogada P72832. Usted, señora, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Zacharias, can you unmute yourself, please?
María Zacarías, ¿puede usted, por favor, prender su micrófono?
And state your name.
Y díganos su nombre.
Yeah. Yes, she's on Zoom, but she's not in the hallway anymore. Give me 1 minute. I'm going to take one moment recess.
Vamos a tomar una pequeña pausa.
Now, just 1 minute to drop some work off. Okay. And I'll be right back. Just stepped out too, okay? Okay.
Your Honor, we miss Mrs. Wanfra.
Emma, el juez está en un pequeño receso, pausa.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. The judge took a brief brief.
Thank you.
Each a little small recess. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
You're welcome and good morning. If I didn't say it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to hear you.
You too.
Can I ask, please, what happened to Mr. Lopez Esteban?
Ms. Zacharias, let's go back on the record. Is Ms. Zacharias ready?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora Zacarías. ¿Está usted lista, señora?
She was,
Yes.
All right, join the breakout room, Ms. Zacharias. Speak to Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Así que acepte la invitación para pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que hable con su abogada, la señora Harris. Ella le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta actualizada de resolución y si no le gusta la oferta, recuérdese que tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Acepte la invitación donde le dice join o unirse y déjenos qué quiere hacer cuando salga de la sala. Join o unirse. Toque ahí para aceptar.
Let's pass the matter. This would be Mr. Philip. This is the city of Detroit versus Chapata Gap, case number SP134-87561, SP1539010, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1663973, SP17022474, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Dillard. Mr.
yes, Your
Gatlin.
Honor.
Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard,
All right,
P37225.
Mr. Gatlin, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? Mr. Gatlin, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? All right, he's not responding. Press *6, Mr. Gatling, to unmute yourself, please.
Okay. Hello.
State your name for the record, sir. Good morning to you.
My name is Jahad Gatlin, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Dillard, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench form for Mr. Gatling.
Your Honor, at this time, I have not had an opportunity to speak with him as of yet.
For purposes of arraignment,
He stands mute.
will enter a not guilty your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Dillard, here's how it works. Pretty much any misdemeanors, 12 hours of community service, and any civil infraction is 6 hours of community service. It should be sort of like a pretrial diversion court where the offer should get a little bit better if the individual wants to do community service. So I called, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cases on the docket. I called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases into the record. The ones that were not on the docket are expired plate, a civil infraction, and a no insurance misdemeanor, a no insurance proof misdemeanor. He does owe $336 on a no insurance proof misdemeanor. which may have an effect on his license. If that's the case,
Your Honor.
I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front. And he owes, I'll also call SP 1663917, counts 1 and counts 2. That is an old expired plate. It happened this year and a no registration. So I'll allow him to be heard on those matters if the city attorney doesn't have any objection to setting those defaults aside. So basically a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases into the record. All right, any questions, Mr. Dillard?
I'll speak with the city attorney, Ms. Horn.
Okay, Mr. Gatling, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Mr. Dillard is gonna try to work an offer out for you, sir. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Any question you have, Mr. Dillard will be in the breakout room to answer those, all right?
Okay, so can I say something right quick?
What do you need? You need to direct your questions to the city, your attorney.
Oh,
And
okay.
if those don't, I'm sure he can answer whatever questions you have related to these cases, okay?
Yeah.
All right, sure. He's in the room, Mr. Dillard, breakout room 5, join the room. Let us know what your client wants to do when you come out.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have ability to go to 4 with no issues.
Absolutely. I don't see Ms. Horn in there though. Again, she's not telling me that she's.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back. Are we ready on Guzman Tejada, Mr. Berry?
We lost our defendant, Your Honor. She fell off.
Oh, no, she's in the breakout room.
Oh, really? Okay.
Again? Okay. Let's go there.
Yes.
Oh, you don't know what happened to Mr. Lopez Esteban Abelardo? Did you find the case number?
I'm gonna try. He's in the.
I don't see him anymore.
He's in the waiting room.
Ah, okay. Mrs. Tejada is here outside.
Okay, tell her to go back in the waiting room. I'm in the breakout room.
Señora, vuelva a la sala de espera, por favor, número 2.
¿Cómo lo hago eso?
How do I do that?
At the bottom of the screen, she should be able to go back in there.
Señora, abajo en la pantalla, con eso debería ser capaz de poder ir donde dice Join Breakout Room.
I'm going to send her to 1 and then I'll make it easier for her.
Thank you, Your Honor. Le voy a ver la invitación. Okay, thank you.
She's in there. Can you keep Ms. Horn back? Do you have a case number, Mr. Lopez Esteban?
That bed has got to be fixed. I'll fix it later. Come on.
Ms. Carmesita, your Mr. Lopez Esteban, ¿cómo su casa nombre?
Señor
Abelardo
López Esteban, ¿usted tiene el número de tu caso?
No.
Nosotros estábamos tratando de localizar tu caso, pero no hemos podido. Yo creo que hoy no es el día de verificar usted.
Oh, no. Es aquí tengo el papel que le entregué.
Deja ver. He's showing his community service sheet, Your Honor. He does not have his case number. And Mr. Phillips and I were looking at the system and we have not been able to locate it. And I'm not currently in the office to look through my files. I'm remote.
Shouldn't have his case number on there?
No, generally we don't put them on the community service sheets, Your Honor, for privacy matters.
Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna find him. I looked up a couple of names.
Is his last name hyphenated?
Somos los
Yeah.
servicios comunitarios.
Is
Yo
it
llegué con...
Esteban? Is it Lopez Esteban?
Sí.
Yes.
Let's see. No, he's not. He's for show cause on 6/16/20.
Okay.
All right, un momento, el señor Lopez Esteban.
Está bien.
On telephone at 313-300-4054. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Matthew Mullins.
Matthew Mullins.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Mullins.
Good morning.
Did you call this?
Yes. Judge, can you give me one moment before you go to the next case?
Yes. Well, Patricia Ann Lovett. Did she? Oh, she did. Very good. I have. Mr. Miller, are you ready?
I'm back, Your Honor.
Gustavo Lopez is here, Mr. Miller.
Yeah, I had the chance to speak with him, Judge. We just do need an interpreter to probably get on the record with everything, but we're ready.
What is he gonna do?
We're gonna take a plea to a reduced charge of allowing.
And you have his contact information and everything?
Yeah. He actually had someone with him interpreting in the breakout room, so that's how I was talking to him. But she's not court certified or anything like that.
Okay.
It was just for our communications.
Let's do this. Let's just get the telephone number and is this Gustavo Alberto Lopez?
No, Gustavo.
Lanzina.
Yeah. Lozana or something like that. Yeah.
Lozana.
Su señoría, entregué el papel a la señora Carmelina.
Señor, estamos buscando el número de tu caso.
Aquí lo tengo.
He says he has the name of the case number.
I have it now.
Ya lo tenemos, señor. Le espero un tanto.
I'm just waiting on an interpreter.
Estamos esperando un intérprete oficial.
Mr. For Gustavo Lopez, what is the telephone number?
For Mr. Lopez?
Yes.
It is 517-512-2735.
Did you give him the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, I don't have that number. Do you have that number?
87313-879-2155.
Okay.
Did she ever come back?
No.
Your Honor, Miss Guzman again. She was going to recharge her telephone, but looks like she didn't do it on time. So she disappeared.
All right. Let's do this. This is the city of Detroit versus, he's not on the docket. Albelardo Castro Lopez Esteban, case number SP. Are we Miss
I'm back.
Williams Law? Are we back?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Albelardo Castro Lopez Esteban, case number SP 17096252. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días. Llamamos a este número de caso y este caso que no está en la lista de causas para el día de hoy. Es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Abelardo López Esteban, número de caso SP 172096252. Su comparecencia, señor, para que diga su nombre, para que conste en el acta. Señor Abelardo, diga su nombre, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre, por favor.
Abelardo López Esteban.
Abelardo López Esteban.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, and he was ordered to do 12 hours of community service.
Está bien, yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y a él se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
I see that he completed those 12 hours of community service, and we thank you for that.
Y veo que ya ha cumplido esas horas de servicio comunitario, por lo cual se lo agradecemos.
And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, sir.
Y con eso, señor, vamos a desestimar su caso, señor. Su caso queda cerrado y desestimado.
Ok, gracias. Que Dios lo bendiga.
Ok, thank you. God bless
You don't have
you.
any, very good day, best of luck to you.
Tengo una
Señor, si no
pregunta.
tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga muy buen día.
Tengo
Puede
una
retirar.
pregunta.
I have a
Can I
question.
have that case number?
I have a question.
What is your
Señor,
question?
¿cuál es su pregunta?
Que si puedo ir a asear voluntariamente en el parque en Clark los días sábados.
That if I can go to Park Clark to do it.
You went to Clark Park to do it, didn't you?
Señor, ya usted fue mal al Parque Clark a hacer sus horas. Ya usted hizo sus horas, ¿verdad?
Sí, nada más quiero ir voluntariamente.
Ah, otra vez, sí. Okay, yes, I did I just want to go to a volunteer. Can I volunteer to work there? Every time they need me?
Absolutely.
Sí, señor, absolutamente. Usted puede ir cualquier día a hacer horas voluntarias.
Ok, está bien, gracias. Que Dios te bendiga, su señoría.
Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you, Your Honor.
You can always speak to Ms. Quintero about that.
Señor, también puede siempre llamar a la señora Buentello y hablar sobre eso con ella cuando pueda ir, ¿ok?
Ok, está bien. Dios lo bendiga.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Your Honor, can I have
Señor,
that case number?
que tenga excelente día, señor, y puede, por favor, se puede desconectar.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, great day. Mr. Phillips, it's SP 17096252.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, this is the city of Detroit versus Gustavo Lopez, case number SP 176-93781. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Gustavo López, número SP 176-93781. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Clay Miller, P86291, standing in for Attorney Ryan Hill, here on behalf of Mr. Gustavo Lopez. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Clay Miller, número 8 de registro 86291, representando al señor Gustavo López. Señor Gustavo López, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Gustavo Lezama López.
Gustavo Lezama López.
Mhm.
Your Honor, the people have made an offer to amend the charge if we were to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver, and Mr. Lopez would like to take advantage of that offer today.
Su señoría, la fiscalía ha ofrecido el trato de enmendarle el cargo de no tener licencia al cargo de que dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara, y mi cliente quiere tomar ese acuerdo ofrecido por la fiscalía. Sorry.
Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Waive formal reading and stand mute.
Y para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, abogado, ¿qué desea hacer su cliente? Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Well, they are not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Do you want to take the deal, Mr. Lopez?
Está bien, entonces yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Señor López, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer? Señor López,
Sí.
¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer? Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
Señor, por favor, ¿puede levantar su mano derecha?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Señor, ¿puede bajar su mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa? Señor,
He's looking at someone else. Did you go over his advisor rights with him, Mr. Miller?
I did, Judge.
él está viendo a otra persona. Señor abogado Miller, ¿usted le explicó a su cliente sus derechos? Sí, señor, yo lo hice.
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Lopez, you have to answer these questions on your own. You cannot be getting counsel any other information from anybody but your attorney, Mr. Miller.
Señor López, usted tiene que contestar estas preguntas por usted mismo. Usted tiene que contestarlas de acuerdo a la información que le dio su abogado y solamente su abogado. Usted no puede estar esperando que alguien más le diga lo que tiene que decir.
Okay.
If you don't understand the question, I'll give you an opportunity to speak back with your attorney to, if he can further advise.
Si usted no entiende alguna pregunta, yo le voy a dar la oportunidad para que vuelva a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado y él le vuelva a informar.
No, está bien.
No, it's okay.
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine.
Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad que se podía poner a este tipo de cargo es podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa.
Pago los 500.
I will pay the 500.
Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Miller, and explain to him his advisor rights, please.
Por favor, señor Miller, vuelva a la sala de consulta privada con su cliente, señor López. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada y por favor explíquele sus derechos al señor López. And you want me to go there?
Yes, go tell him to go to breakout room 6, please.
Señor López, por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada número 6. Acepte la invitación enfrente de su pantalla. Dele la pantalla.
Ms. Hernandez,
Yes,
did we lose Ms. today? Oh,
yes,
okay.
and she's not here back again. We're waiting for her.
He's in there. Samsung. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? That's Mrs. Do you need her back in the breakout room, Mr. Berry?
Yes, with Ms. Hernandez, hopefully.
Okay, she'll be there in a moment, Gerald. Join the room. She's in there, Mr. Berry, I believe.
Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Zacharias Lopez.
Volvemos en el acta con el caso de la señora Zacarías López.
Sí.
Yes.
No. Ms. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to Ms. Lopez. Zacharias, what does your client want to do?
Y señora abogada, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su cliente Zacarías López en una sala privada de consulta. Abogada, dígame qué va a hacer su cliente.
Yeah, she is going to admit responsibility to blocking traffic.
Su señoría, ella va a admitir responsabilidad a haber bloqueado el tráfico.
Está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
It relates to the base of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, Counselor.
Y abogada, podemos estipular que podemos depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para un fundamento para la declaración de responsable.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Si así lo estipuló su señoría, estoy de acuerdo.
Sí.
Yes.
The other matters are going to be dismissed.
¿Y los otros casos quedan desestimados?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
And stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of those other matters.
¿Y puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar los otros casos?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, de acuerdo, su señoría.
Right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs will be 6 hours of community service.
Muy bien, así que encuentro que su cliente es responsable al cargo modificado de haber bloqueado el tráfico. Le voy a pedir que haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de tener que pagar costos y multas.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
It's 313-639-1320. Best phone number to reach you, ma'am.
Y señora, el número 313-639-1320 es el mejor número para que nosotros nos pongamos en contacto con usted.
I thought she was actually in the courtroom.
She's outside. All right, let's go with it. Let's just pass that matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Karina Vasquez, case number SP 1771880, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Karina Escareño, pues.
Buenos días. Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Karina Vázquez. Diga su nombre, señor, y ya lo dijo, vuelve y repita.
Karina Escareño Vázquez.
Karina Escarena Vázquez.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Vasquez, and for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y soy Cherica Harris representando a mi cliente, la señora Vázquez, y para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Willing or not guilty, pleading your client $0 bond. Ms. Vasquez, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Señora, vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. La señora Harris, su abogada, le va a conseguir una oferta actualizada de resolución. Recuérdese que si a usted no le gusta la oferta que le proponen, usted tiene todo derecho de llevar el caso a juicio.
Entiendo.
I understand.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Acepte la invitación para pasar a una sala privada de consulta y deje saber lo que quiera hacer usted cuando
¿Unirse? ¿Me pongo unirse?
touch where it says join.
Sí.
E. Yes.
You have the information?
Her phone number.
Southwest Detroit. Southwest. 319-879-2155. Ms. Buenteo,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you tell Ms. Zacharias to call you at this afternoon at the number that the court officer is about to give her?
I sure will. Señora Zacarías.
Sí.
Me puede llamar a mí. Yo soy la señora Buentello. Me puedes llamar más en la tarde y yo te coloco las horas comunitarias, ¿ok?
Sí, está bien.
El número, ¿tienes el número?
Sí, ya lo tengo.
879-2155.
Sí.
Okay, Your Honor, I provided her with that information.
I'm going to give you until October the 15th to complete the 6 hours of community service. Ms. Zacharias, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Te voy a dar hasta el 15 de octubre para completar estas horas, señora Zacarías, que toma un buen día y ya te puedes salir.
Está bien, muchas gracias.
Que pases un buen día. Adiós.
Bueno.
Also, Your Honor.
Hasta luego. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, did you understand now?
Yes.
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor López. Señor López, ¿ahora entiende?
Sí. Sí.
Yes.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este delito podría ser de hasta $93 de cárcel o hasta $500 de multa? ¿Entiende?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así quisiera.
No.
No.
All right, he's not understanding what's going on, Mr. Miller.
Yeah.
Él no está entendiendo lo que está pasando.
We went
You
over.
don't necessarily need, to get him explain to him his rights. You can go back in the breakout room and you can use this person, that's with them to explain it to him, choose.
Okay.
I'm gonna put Ms. Hernandez in the room with Mr. Berry. Rejoin the rooms. See if you can get it. Can understand. Ms. Hernandez, go ahead and, oh, you've already. Okay. Benito Leon.
Oh, man.
All right, I don't need you to be expressing your discontent, sir. Juan.
Sorry, sir.
Do you want to go to your alphabet, Judge?
No, sir.
What? Benito Leon?
Sí, Benito León.
Necesitas interpreter?
Sí.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Vasquez. Ms. Vasquez, is my understanding the case is going to be dismissed, Ms. Harris?
Volvemos en el acta con el caso de la señora Vázquez. Señora Vázquez, tengo entendido que el caso va a quedar desestimado. ¿Es cierto, señora Harris?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Eso es correcto, su señoría.
Okay, case dismissed, ma'am. Have a very good day.
Muy bien, tu caso queda desestimado, señora. Que usted tenga buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias. Igual, buena suerte. Buen día.
Thank you. And I wish you the same. Good luck and a good day.
Good luck.
Good luck. Gracias a usted también.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ishmael Romero Clemente, case number SP 177-47291, SP 177-4781, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 177-47981. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Ismael Romero Clemente. Números de caso SP 1774781, cargos 1, 2 y 3 y caso SP 177479291. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Romero Clemente, please state your name for the record.
Soy Cherica Harris, representando al señor Romero Clemente. Usted, señor, por favor, díganos su nombre. Señor Romero Clemente, díganos su nombre.
You have to unmute your device, please.
Necesita prender el micrófono, señor.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Ismael Artemio Romero Clemente.
Hello and good morning. My name is Ismael Romero Clemente.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Y para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Good morning to you, sir. Willing or not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. There is a driver's license never acquired that should be added to that.
Entonces vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, señor, darle una fianza de $0. Abogada, quiero que usted sepa que hay un cargo adicional y es que él nunca había obtenido una licencia de conducir.
Mr. Clemente, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Clemente, lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogada, la señora Harris. Ella le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución, pero si usted no le gusta esa oferta, tenga en mente que tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Let's pass the matter.
Pasamos este caso.
Right or wrong, please.
Usted reúnase a la sala, va a haber una invitación que dice join o unirse o reunirse. Toque ahí, por favor. Is he there, Your Honor?
Yeah, they're in there, Ms. Miller.
Okay, thank you.
What's your client want to do, Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the blockading for the failure to stop and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Desea ser su representada, señor Ed Woodbury Jr. Ella desea adherirse a la oferta.
We're back on the record with Ms. Guzman Tejada. Ms. Guzman Tejada, you want to take the deal?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso de la señora Guzmán Tejada. Señora Guzmán Tejada, ¿usted desea entonces tomar el acuerdo que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Entonces, abogado, usted está estipulando a los hechos de base para esta infracción, sí, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Y usted estipula la causa probable, señor abogado, para que le quitemos los demás cargos, sí, su señoría, estipulado.
Ms. Guzman Tejada, do you want to do community service to clear everything up?
Señora Guzmán Tejada, entonces usted quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
All right, a total of 18 hours of community service will clear everything.
Está bien, 18 horas de servicio comunitario, con eso va a pagar todo.
Is a 313-675-3744 the best number to reach you, ma'am?
Señora, el mejor número para llamarla y comunicarnos con usted es el 313-675-3744.
Sí.
Yes.
And do you have the number of the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Y ya usted tiene el número, señora, para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria, que es donde tiene que llamar para hacer las horas.
Sí, a donde Carmencita.
Yes, me to call Mrs. Carmencita.
Yes, give her a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'm going to give you until the October the 15th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señora. Entonces llame esta misma tarde a la señora Carmencita para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser las horas de servicio comunitario. Yo le voy a dar hasta el 15 de octubre para que las haga. Y ese día se tiene que volver a conectar aquí, igual que hoy tempranito en la mañana. Y eso es todo. Por favor, no deje de llamarla a ella esta misma tarde.
Sí. Una pregunta. El 15 de octubre, con el mismo número que me dieron.
I have a question. On October the 15th, I have to connect with the same number that today?
Yeah, if you're on the list, you don't have to necessarily connect, but if you're not, if you have a completed service
Sí, señora. No necesariamente se tiene que conectar si usted ha hecho si ha hecho ya sus horas, pero sí, para ese día es el mismo día del día de hoy, el mismo número.
Muchísimas gracias a los dos.
Okay, thank you very, very much to both of you.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Está bien, señora, que tenga un excelente día. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Muchas gracias por ser intérprete. Que pase buen día.
Thank you very much for interpreting for me. Have a good day. You are welcome, Miss Tejada.
Que pasen una bonita tarde. Bye.
Have a good day and a good afternoon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Benito Leon.
El señor Benito León. Señor Benito León. Señor.
Sí.
Benito León. Yes.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. I need a full name or a case number.
Señor, yo necesito su nombre completo.
Mi nombre es Benito León Olivares.
Benito León Olivares, Your Honor, he's at 8:30, kind of in the middle.
Así.
Ok, ya lo veo, señor.
City of Detroit versus Benito Leon Olivares, case number SP 1742461, SP 1772579. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Benito León Olivares, número de caso SP 174-24621 y SP 177-25791. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry, on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Woodbury Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, diga su nombre, por favor, completo.
Benito León Olivares.
Benito León Olivares.
All right.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
In our not guilty plea in the client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Olivares, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor León, yo le voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Por favor, vaya a la consulta, a la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, que le va a explicar, le va a conseguir una orden, un acuerdo de precondenatorio con la fiscalía. Si no le gusta, tiene el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea la
Join the room, let
invitación.
us know when you come out.
Por favor, señor. Do you want me to stay to do Mr. Lopez before I go there or go?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
All right, let's go back. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, do you understand what's going on now?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor López. Señor López, ¿ahora usted entiende lo que está pasando? Yes.
Yes.
Do you understand? Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Entonces usted tiene que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito o de ofensa es podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera?
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Miller went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y su abogado, el señor Miller, le explicó el resto de sus derechos mientras que estaban en la sala de consulta privada, ¿no es así?
Yes.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Usted tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No, that's fine.
No, that's fine.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo, usted va a renunciar a estos derechos?
Yes.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Y aparte de lo que hemos hablado aquí y que ya consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to August the 9th, 2025, at around 5:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Buchanan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día, la hora y el lugar de los hechos, que fue el 9 de agosto de 2025, alrededor de las 5:20 de la tarde, en las inmediaciones de Livernois y Buchanan, en las calles, la avenida Livernois y la calle Buchanan en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar, ¿lo paró usted un policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Yes.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Estaba manejando usted un automóvil?
Yes.
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Y el oficial le pidió que le mostraran la licencia de conducir válida.
Yes.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Pero usted no se la pudo mostrar, ¿no es así?
Porque no tenía.
No, because I didn't have one.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing for him to do 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss upon completion.
Está bien, yo le voy a imponer entonces 12 horas de servicio comunitaria y vamos a, una vez que la haya concluido, vamos a cerrar su caso.
Your Honor, my client is able to pay the fine if the court's willing, but whatever, it's up to the court.
Su señoría, mi cliente está dispuesto a pagar la multa si usted está de acuerdo. De eso depende de la corte.
If he wants to pay the fine, it'll be a failure to display.
Si él va a pagar la multa, entonces será que no, el cargo será el original de que no pudo mostrar una licencia válida.
In that case, Your Honor, we'll do the community service.
Entonces, en ese caso, su señoría, nosotros vamos a hacer las horas de servicio comunitario.
All right. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Mr. Lopez?
Señor López, ¿usted tiene el número de teléfono para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria para establecer cómo y cuándo, dónde va a ser las horas comunitarias?
No, no lo tengo.
No,
I'll get it to him, Judge. I got it.
Su señoría,
Right,
yo lo tengo, yo se lo voy a dar.
Give Ms. Penteo a call this afternoon. Set the hours up. I'm going to give you until October 15th to complete the hours. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Señor, entonces yo le voy a dar, what day, Your Honor, I'm sorry?
October 15th.
15. Le voy a dar hasta el 15 de octubre para que haga esas horas. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde a la señora Buentello y ese día se vuelve a conectar igual que el día de hoy con sus horas hechas.
Thank you,
Can you
Judge.
provide me with his number?
¿Me puede dar su número de teléfono, señor, por favor?
517.
His attorney's gonna provide him with it.
No, can I have Mr. Lopez's number?
Yes.
Is the best number to reach you, sir? 517-512-2735?
Yes.
Señor, el mejor número para comunicarse con usted es 517-512-1735.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. That'll conclude the matter. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. See you, Mr. Miller.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate
Está
it.
bien, señor. Que tenga buen día.
Okay, gracias.
All right, Mr. Juan Francisco, Karen, do you have valid registration?
Yes, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Francisco Karen, case number SB 177173771. Is somebody there to put their appearance on the record, please?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Juan Carrion.
Carry on.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Let's see your registration, please.
You said it.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case and provide valid documentation. Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. You have an old, expired plate for $174. You still owe. All right.
174, sir. Thank you, sir. Allow me to apologize for my impatientness, sir.
That's okay. Have a great day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Is Miss Garland, China, Garland Shepherd here? You're free to leave, Mr. Carrion.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Interpreter Villarreal needs to step away for a few minutes.
Oh, you need to go right now, Ms. Villarreal? Or you want to
No, I can wait 5, 6, 7, maybe 10 minutes.
You want to finish Clemente?
Oh, sure.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Clemente. Mr. Clemente, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Romero Clemente. Señor Romero Clemente, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada defensora en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, at this time, the city is not able to make an offer.
Su señoría, en este momento, la Fiscalía de la Ciudad no puede hacerle una oferta de resolución.
They are seeking to get discovery and speak with their officer.
Ellos están esperando recibir las pruebas recíprocas y poder hablar con el policía.
My understanding is that there is no objection to Mr. Romero Clemente staying on the community court docket.
Pero tengo entendido que ellos no se oponen a que el señor Romero Clemente se quede en la corte que es de servicio comunitario.
And if the court would appoint counsel, that would also assist.
Y si la corte nombraría un abogado específicamente para estos cargos, eso nos ayudaría.
But ultimately, the city attorney did say it's in the court's discretion.
Pero al fin y al cabo, la fiscal dijo que todo está a la discreción del juez.
And I have provided his contact number if we do appoint counsel.
Y ya tengo su número de contacto que se lo proveí usted y lo necesita.
All right, I'm going to appoint an attorney for Mr. Clemente.
Así que yo voy a nombrar un abogado para que él represente al señor Clemente.
I'm also going to send this to his alphabet judge.
También voy a mandar el caso para que le toque al juez que él va a tener según el apellido de él.
I'm not to file need Spanish interpreter.
Y voy a marcar aquí en el expediente que él va a necesitar un intérprete de español.
I'm going to send you to Judge Sherman on November the 3rd, 2025 at 8:35.
Así que lo voy a mandar usted a la sala del juez Sherman. La fecha es el 3 de noviembre del 2025 a las 8:35 de la mañana. El 3 de noviembre.
I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Y le voy a pedir a usted que por favor conteste todas sus llamadas, aunque no reconozca el número, porque puede que una de esas llamadas sea de su nuevo abogado.
And if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the November the 3rd date, ask Judge Sherman to appoint you an attorney.
Y si por acaso el nuevo abogado no se pone en contacto usted antes del 3 de noviembre, entonces el mismo día, 3 de noviembre, pídale al juez Sherman que le den un abogado.
If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Y si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le quiero desear lo mejor de la suerte y que tenga usted muy buen día. Señor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Felicia Emily Gardner. Case number SP 1201191, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 137837111. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Gardner. Please state your name for the record.
Felicia Gardner.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll recall any warrant, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, you'll get their $0 bond. Ms. Gardner, Ms. Harris is gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gatling. Mr. Gatling, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client wanna do?
Your Honor, he wishes to accept the plea offer by the city attorney.
What's the deal, Mr. Brooke?
Your Honor, he will plead guilty to ticket ending in 101, the amended on a 3-month delayed sentence, being amended to allowing an unlicensed persons to operate a vehicle. And he will plead guilty to 102, ticket ending in 102, being amended to improper plate. All other charges, is 6 total. The other 2 that are present on the record, as well as the 2 that the court articulated, the no proof of insurance and no valid registration tickets. That's ticket SP 1702272 as OI and SP 166397172 OI. I will leave it up to the court to confirm those ticket numbers. But those tickets, those 4 other charges would be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Gatling? You're free to leave, Ms. Miller. Can you raise your right hand, Mr. Gatling?
Yeah, it's raised.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Dillard went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Can you say that one more time, sir?
Mr. Dillard, go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room? Right to a trial, right to call witnesses, and rights. Mr. Gatling?
Yes.
Did he go over those rights with you?
You said, do I what?
Did Mr. Dillard go over those rights with you, though? Your
yes,
advice?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, he did.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to January the 10th, 2024, at around 1:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Connor and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid driver's license and registration.
Yes.
You could not do either, could you?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
And why is that?
I had the documents, I just didn't have them on me. I had just bought the car and I was moving around. He had told me I had days to present it, and that was on my behalf of not presenting it.
Okay, so you didn't have the license or registration on your person, is that correct?
You're correct, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing for not producing a driver's license and amended count of improper plate for not producing a registration. Both of those will be non-abstractable offenses, therefore they don't carry any points. It'll be a total of 24 hours of community service. And once the community service hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
Your Honor, before stipulating, again, the license and property is being amended with a 3-month delayed sentence recommendation.
It'll be dismissed upon completion of the community service. October 15th will be the date that he can complete the community service, that he'll have to complete the community service.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I stipulate to probable cause to those matters being dismissed, as well as all matters before the court.
Very well. Mr. Gatling, is the 313-209-1423 number the best number to reach you?
Yes, Your Honor.
I want to give you the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Mr. Phillips is the one you'll be talking to about clearing up the community, doing the community service, sir. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
313-879-2155. And give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. Set the hours up. If you have the hours complete by October the 15th, we'll dismiss the cases, okay, sir?
Okay. And the number was 313. Sorry, Your Honor. The number was 313-879-2155.
2155.
2155.
2155. Call him this afternoon, set the hours up, and it's nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Dillard versus Precious Odom. Case number SP 1562272, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Odom, state your name for the record, please.
Precious Oldham.
Oldham. All right, Mr. Dillard, can you, morning to you, ma'am, can you put your appearance on the record?
Joseph Dillard, P37225, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time, and it's set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
She stands mute, waives formal reading, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Typically, if she would have brought in a valid driver's license and insurance, the case would have been dismissed. The cases would have been dismissed. I did run Ms. Odom's license, and it's expired. Mr. Dillard, give Ms. Odom an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And Mr. Dillard, the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is 313-879-2155. And if your clients choose to do the community service, to expedite things, you can get your client's number and put it in the chat so that I can have it already ready. Ms. Odom, Mr. Dillard's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with him, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Mr. Dillard, I don't see anything affecting Ms. Odom from getting a valid driver's license as it relates to the 36th District Court. Join the room, and we'll pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And let's go back on.
Your Honor, the last one before Ms. Odom that Mr. Dillard was on, what was the name of that person that we went back
on? His name is Gatling.
Okay, thank you.
Jahad Gatling.
830 matter.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliveras. Mr. Oliveras, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta el señor Benito León Álvarez. Señor Álvarez, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the seatbelt charge, the license matter to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere adherirse a la oferta ofrecida por la Fiscalía de declararse de la boleta de no haber estado usando el cinturón de seguridad y el otro cargo queda desestimado.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Olivares?
Señor Álvarez, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer? ¿Tomar este acuerdo que le están ofreciendo? Señor León.
León
¿eso es lo que
Olivares.
usted quiere hacer? León Olivares. León Olivares Benito.
Sí, correcto.
Yes, that's correct. ¿Quiere tomar el acuerdo que le están ofreciendo?
Sí.
Do you want to take the deal? Yes.
All right, you stipulate on your client's behalf to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Abogado, por favor, puede estipular usted con respecto a las bases de hecho. Sí, estipulado su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y la estipulación para la causa probable para desestimar el otro cargo.
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría, estipulado.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible as charged with seatbelt ticket. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow them to do 3 hours of community service.
Está bien, señor. Yo voy a encontrar entonces, señor abogado, a su cliente responsable del delito inicial, tal cual fue puesto de no llevar el cinturón de seguridad. Y para eso voy a imponer 3 horas de servicio comunitario.
Is 313-482-5926 the best number to reach you at, Mr. Olivares?
Señor León Álvarez, es el número de teléfono 313-482-5926, el mejor número de teléfono para comunicarnos con usted.
Sí, es correcto.
Yeah, that's correct.
And do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Y ya usted tiene el número para comunicarse con el Centro Comunitario de Justicia?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, give Ms. Puenteo a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until October the 15th to complete the hours. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Yo le voy a dar entonces hasta el 15 de octubre para que complete esas horas. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde a la señora Carmencita Buentello para establecer con ella cómo hacer esas horas. Y si no tiene más nada que agregar, le deseo la mejor de las suertes. Ya se puede desconectar.
Todo está bien. Muchas gracias.
Okay, everything is all right. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que tenga excelente día, señor.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. Same for you.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Simon Javier Laura Gutierrez, case number SP 1737853, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, is this with me or Ms. Hernandez?
I think it would be probably you in the sense that it's going with Mr. Berry, but it's still probably, I think.
Understood, Your Honor. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Simón Javier Lara Gutiérrez. Números de caso SP173-7853, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Simón Javier Lara Gutiérrez.
Simón Javier Lara Gutiérrez.
Sí, señor.
Yes.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on his behalf, Your Honor.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Laura Gutierrez, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Muy bien, vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para él, darle una fianza de $0. El señor Lara Gutiérrez, usted va a pasar a una sala privada de consulta con su abogado. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución actualizada. Sépase que si a usted no le gusta esa oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Pase ahora a una sala de consulta donde dice join o unirse. Toque donde dice join o unirse. Por favor.
No me aparece.
I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing the prompt. En inglés dice join. En English it'll say join. En español va a decir unirse o reunirse.
Okay, he's in there. I don't know. I don't think he's in there. Onice, dos.
Unirse. Unirse is join.
Onice.
Unirse.
Oh, yeah, he's kicking out.
Señor Lara, apriete, toque touch your screen, toque su pantalla.
Sí, aquí me aparece donde dice unirse.
Ok, toque una vez, toque.
I'll put him
Unirse.
in breaker 6.
Okay.
All right, he's in there. All right.
Thank you, John.
All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Okay, Ms. Gardner, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to set a pre-trial date for you, ma'am. And that date is set so that we make sure that you get that appointed attorney. That pre-trial date is going to be October 17th at 8:30. I need to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that October 17th date, I'm going to get one appointed to you on the spot. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Ms. Gardner, you have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Yannick Lozano Mendez, case number SP 175-00311. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, she needs interpreter?
I don't know.
I don't know where she is. I don't see her.
No. Well, I guess that makes her not need an interpreter automatically.
I think Mr. Dillard is trying to get your attention, Your Honor.
Mr. Dillard.
Yes, Your Honor. With respect to Miss Odom, if she wanted to get her license, because she's on a learning program now.
She is, but she can. I'll let her get her license, but tell her license is expired, so she's not even. I'll give her time to get her license. Yes, I will. But her license is expired, so that learning permit is not even valid right now.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter for Lozano. Tobias here. Alejandro.
Yeah, I'm here. Yes, I'm
Good
here.
morning.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Alejandro Tabarez, case number SP 17643261. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Tabarez, please state your name for the record.
Alejandro Tabarez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Tabarez, Mrs. Harris is going to try to get you an updated offer. Have you been through community court before?
No.
She's going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Is this an eligible offense, Your Honor?
I don't know, furnishing alcohol to a minor. I mean, they can give an offer, but if it's a non-offer, he can go to his alphabet judge. If he wants an attorney, to go to that. Speak to him in a breakout, please. All right, let's pass that matter. Mr. Berry, are we ready on Mr. Gutierrez, Laura Gutierrez?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Laura Gutierrez. Mr. Gutierrez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Lara Gutiérrez. Señor Lara Gutiérrez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
Su señoría, queremos que nos den una fecha para regresar, para tener un juicio, para que así él pueda regresar con los documentos que necesita y presentárselos a la corte.
All right, Mr. Gutierrez, I'm going to give him a pre-trial date.
Muy bien, señor Gutiérrez. Entonces le voy a dar a usted una fecha nueva para una consulta previa al juicio.
How long will it take you to get those documents, sir?
¿Cuánto tiempo se va a tardar usted para conseguir esos documentos, señor?
¿Puede ser una semana? ¿O es muy tarde para ustedes?
It could be a week.
All right, come back October the 15th, sir. If you have the documents, bring them on that date, okay?
October 17th, Your Honor.
October 15th.
15. Así que, señor, regrese usted el 15 de octubre. Y si ya tiene sus documentos, nos los puede mostrar por la pantalla.
Muchísimas gracias. ¿A qué hora sería?
Thank you so very much. And what time would that be?
8:30.
A las 8:30 de la mañana.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Cool. All right, this is Mr. Berry, the City of Detroit versus Yalin Sergio Mendina Martinez, case number SP 177-2643, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 177-26531. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry.
Your Honor.
I don't know if they need an interpreter. Mr.
Okay.
Laura Gutierrez can leave. You have a very good day, sir.
Señor Javier Lara, se puede desconectar. Que tenga muy buen día.
A ver, pon tu video.
Muchísimas gracias y bendiciones.
Julián Medina. Por favor, señor Julián Medina.
Sí, aquí está. Deja pasárselo.
Yes, he's here. Let me call him.
He's here. I have him on the other line because he didn't know how to use his Zoom app. But that's him. Di tu nombre, Julián. He doesn't need an interpreter. So, Emma, would you be able to help him out?
Este es el caso del señor Julián Medina, de la ciudad de Detroit, contra el señor Julián Medina, número de caso SP 177-26531 y SP 177-26431, SP 177-26432. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Woodbury Jr., representando al acusado.
¿Y tu nombre, Julián?
Julián, say your name.
Dilo.
Say it. No entiendo, no se oye. I
¿No se
cannot
oye?
hear him.
Dilo.
I'm having a hard time believing that he can't get on his Zoom app.
Well, it's because
Yo
he tried to download it, but he forgot his pass.
I don't need you to speak, sir. I don't know. I don't need you to speak. I'm having a hard time believing he can't get on his Zoom app.
tengo problemas, realmente me es difícil creer que él no puede conectarse en el app de Zoom.
If he can FaceTime, I think that he would be able to figure out how to do Zoom.
Si él lo puede hacer así en la pantalla, yo creo que él es perfectamente capaz de hacerlo a través del Zoom.
So figure it out, sir, and call and Zoom back in, and we'll pass the matter.
Señor,
Okay.
entonces, por favor, averigüe cómo hacerlo y nosotros vamos a pasar el caso y que él se conecte directamente en Zoom.
Okay, yeah. I'm sorry that I speak, but it's because he didn't have the password for his app, and it didn't allow him to download it.
Yeah, he's gonna have to figure something out.
So I'll try to see if he's with someone that has another phone that I could try to get it for him real quick.
Mr. Medina, maybe ask him to go through Safari, and if he goes through the website, he might be able to just log in from his web browser.
Okay, because I tried to show it on my phone, but it led me right into the app. It said I had to join the app or Google Play.
Okay.
And then he wasn't able to do it because it asked him for his password on an iPhone, and he don't have the password for it. But whatever he had downloaded, it's been there already, you know.
Okay.
But I'll try to figure it out with him right now, and I'll try to get him joined back in. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right.
All right, just give me a second.
Let's pass that matter. Let's go call the city of Detroit versus Jashawn Lawrence Heflin. Case number SP 153-98261, SP 165-63771. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, sir.
I don't think that's the right individual. I'm looking for, I did call the wrong case. I don't see Mr. Lawrence Heflin here. I am looking for Leonardo Herrera.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir. Do you need an interpreter?
No, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit. Versus Leonardo Herrera, case number SP 17435-641, SP 17669-781. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Herrera.
Leonardo Conchola Herrera.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Or not guilty, plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Herrera, we're going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come back. Come on.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, let's pass the matter. All right, Mr. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Odom. Ms. Odom, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, she's scheduled for matters with the Secretary of State requesting that this matter be scheduled for pretrial. Her name ends in O. I believe that'll be before you.
Very well, Ms. Odom. I'm going to give you another pretrial date of October 17th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. I wish you the best of luck on getting your valid driver's license and insurance. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. You as well.
You as well. All right, Mr. Dillard, this is the City of Detroit versus Michael Owens, case number U69656124. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Owens, can you unmute yourself and good morning to you and state your name, please?
Good morning, Michael Owens.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, he stands mute, waives formal reading of the complaint.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Owens, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Dillard. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Tavares. Mr. Tavares, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting the appointment of counsel and a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Tavares?
Yes, it is.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. I'm marking the file needs appointed attorney. If that attorney doesn't contact you before your next court date, which is going to be before Judge Ramsey Heath on October the 1st, 2025 at 8:35, ask Judge Ramsey Heath to appoint you one on that date, okay?
Okay.
All right, do you have any further questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, again, ask Judge Ramsey Heath to appoint you one. All right.
Okay.
Best to you, sir, and have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
Is Miss China Garland Shepherd here?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus China Garland Shepherd, case number SB 175-02191. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Garland Shepherd. Please state your name for the record.
China Garland Shepherd.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a time. Ms. Garland Shepherd, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
I came with some insurance though.
All right, go in the breakout room and speak with Ms. Harris.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Well, let's pass that matter. Mr. Berry, are you there?
Mr. Medina is back.
He's back. Let's go back on the record of Mr. Berry with Mr. Herrera. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to confirm that Mr. Herrera has a valid license.
Dime. Brian, you have to be quiet.
Silencio, por favor, silencio, por favor.
All right, the license is valid for Mr. Herrera. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
In light of that, Your Honor, the prosecutor has given permission to dismiss the other matter as well as the license matter.
All right, case is dismissed, Mr. Herrera. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate you. God bless.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Berry.
I just delivered that because it's an OTE, you know, with the different recommendations for sentencing. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, have a great day.
You
All
too, Your
right,
Honor.
let's recall the City of Detroit versus Julian Sergio Medina Martinez, case number SB 177-264-3, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 177-265-31. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, vamos a llamar nuevamente el caso del señor Julián Sergio Medina Martínez, número de caso SP 177-26431, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 177-26531. Señor Berry, por favor, sus comparecencias para que consten en el acta.
Julian, Sergio Medina Martínez.
Hey, Julián Sergio Medina Martínez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, soy el abogado Berry y vamos a renunciar a la lectura formal de cargos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Put here a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Medina, we'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Medina, voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Por favor, pase a la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry, que le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la Fiscalía y sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa resolución, tiene el derecho absoluto de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada y una vez que salga ya nos dejará saber qué es lo que desea hacer después que hable con su abogado. Unirse a sala de consulta privada, breakout room.
He's in there.
Okay. Thank you, Your
All right,
Honor.
let's go back on the record with Ms. Garland Shepherd. Ms. Garland Shepherd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid insurance.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case, Ms. Garland Shepherd, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus Monique Sierra Gaines. Case numbers SP 1676965, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1736910, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1736921. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Gaines. Please state your name for the record.
Monique Gaines.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Ms. Gaines.
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Gaines has a call more than matters that are on the docket. So for the other matters, Ms. Harris, it's going to be a 11 to 15 over, a no insurance proof, which has a reinstatement fee attached to it, and a driving while license suspended. We'll also call SP 1677030 into the record. That is an expired plate ticket. And then Ms. Gaines has 2 other tickets that we won't call into the record. One of them is almost paid off. Expired plates, she owes $19 on that and no valid registration. She owes $108 on that. Give Ms. Gaines an updated offer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases I call into the record. And give Ms. Gaines an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Gaines, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Is that Miss Alicia Embry?
Here, Your Honor.
You're gonna have to turn your camera on when I call your case into the record, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he's requesting court-appointed counsel. I would ask that this matter be scheduled for a pretrial and an attorney appointed. I do have his contact information, which I will provide through chat to the clerk.
All right, just put it in the chat for me, unless he doesn't mind being read out loud.
To you, okay.
I am either District Court 36 or host Judge Sean Perkins. Perkins, WC CR434.
Give me 1 minute, China. Your Honor, could I ask a courtesy? Could you
Yes.
just could you just post something in chat, just say hi or whatever? And then that way I'll know I'll have it.
I'm sorry, that didn't come out right. That help?
Okay, so is WC courtroom 434, that's you? Okay,
Yes,
thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Dillon, I'm waiting on that number, please. Mr.
Your Honor, you just want the phone number?
Yeah, I mean, well, Mr. Owens fell off now.
Oh, well, I have his contact information.
All right, I need the phone number so I can get them to start filling out the paperwork for the appointed attorney.
Okay, give me 1 second, John. Do you want his email, Your Honor?
It doesn't matter.
Okay,
I was watching on the screen, Your Honor. I don't think I need it.
I don't think so either.
No.
Very good. I will see you soon. I won't be in the next couple of weeks. I wish you guys the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, Mr. Lee.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. The same to you, and have a lovely vacation.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're so welcome. God bless. Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Phillips, we're back on the record with Mr. Owens. I have your contact information, Mr. Owens. You can, I'm appointing the attorney. I'm setting a pretrial date for October 17th, 2025 at 8:30. If you don't, I would ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay? Do you have any further questions?
Your Honor. No.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Alicia Monique Embry, case number SP 175-8570, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Here, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, good morning, Mr. Dillard.
Yes, Your Honor. Joseph Dillard, P37225. On behalf of the defendant, she stands mute, waives formal reading.
And are not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Ms. Embry, can you state your name for the record, please?
Elisha Embry.
Elijah, I'm sorry.
Eli-
All right.
Elisha.
Say it again.
Elisha.
Elisha.
Yeah.
Okay, thank
ISHA.
you. I'm sorry, ma'am.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Mr. Dillard's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Dillard, the actual allegations, say that, disorderly inside business and to officers, license not on person. So disorderly inside business and to officers license not on person. Those are the allegations, and that's what the ticket reads. If you want me to send you a copy of the ticket, then you can, but she's been charged with disorderly conduct, the no valid driver, did not have a valid driver's license on person, and no insurance misdemeanor. So get her an updated offer, have a conversation with Mr. Dillard, and let us know what you want to do. You have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, if you wanted to post that ticket in chat to me, I don't know if you know how to do that.
I'm going to email this ticket to you. I'm going to have Ms. Mathis email that ticket to you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Medina. Mr. Medina, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, which client want to do?
Your
Está
Honor,
bien,
my
volvamos para que corta con el caso del señor Medina. Señor Medina, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blockading for the failure to stop at a stop sign, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente se quiere adherir a la oferta ofrecida por la Fiscalía de declararse del cargo enmendado de bloquear el tráfico en vez del cargo original de no haber hecho una señalización de pare. Y él quiere adherirse a eso y hacer las horas de servicio comunitario.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor Medina, ¿usted quiere tomar ese acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Abogado, ¿usted quiere, por favor, establecer las bases de hecho para esa declaración por parte de su cliente, sí, su señoría, estipuladas?
And stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y la estipulación de la causa probable para entonces desestimar los otros dos cargos restantes.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, estipulado.
All right, Mr. Medina, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic and dismiss the other two matters. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service.
Está bien, señor Medina, yo lo voy a encontrar responsable de la infracción civil de que estaba bloqueando el tráfico. Y voy a desestimar los otros dos cargos y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Okay.
That's
It's
okay?
313-488-1, strike that, 313-488-9119, the best number to reach you?
Señor, el número de teléfono para comunicarse con ustedes es 9119.
Yeah.
¿Es un buen número de teléfono? Yes, it is.
And do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Señor, ¿y usted tiene el número para comunicarse con el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria para hacer las horas?
Sí.
Yes, I have.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, or Ms. Quinteo, I'll give you October the 15th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Yo le voy a dar hasta el día 15 de octubre del 2025 para que haga esas horas. Llame esta misma tarde a la señora Buentella para establecer cómo las va a hacer, cómo, cuándo y dónde. Y hasta ese día tiene para hacer esas horas.
Okay, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Great day, sir.
Está bien, señor. Que tengan un excelente día. Se puede desconectar. Gracias.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Matthew Cody Mullins. Case number SP 14885-661, SP 1774217, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1774461. He does not need an interpreter.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Mullins.
Matthew Cody Mullins.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Add to that a license and proper, Mr. Berry. We'll hear that as well. Mr. Mullins, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with him. What you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thanks.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Hernandez, if you don't have anything further, I think that's going to be it for the morning. And I will see you in a couple of weeks. I'll be gone. Unless I see you before Friday.
Okay, perfect. No problem. So for the 24th, you are not going to be here?
No, the 24th or the 1st.
Oh, okay. For 2 weeks, no community court?
No, well, no community court, no.
Oh, okay. Well, whatever you're going to do, have a great time.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, have a very good day. All right.
Oh, you too. Bye-bye. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody. See you in 2 weeks.
Bye, Ms.
All right.
Hernandez.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to enter a plea to the amended count of allowing. She's also going to admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over, with the remaining matters dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gaines?
Yes.
All right, gotta turn your camera on, ma'am, please.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
I saw you. Oh, yeah, raise your right hand, please. The right, other right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights to break out room, did she not?
Yes.
And Your Honor, I think she also signed an advice rights form. I apologize.
Signed an advice and rights form, did you?
Yes, I came to your court and signed.
And did you read those rights, ma'am?
Yes.
And did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
All right, you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, now let me draw your attention back to June the 3rd, 2025 at around 2:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit. in the area of Livernois and Fullerton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Okay, I heard the beginning. I didn't hear the last part. I'm sorry.
On June the 3rd, 2025, at around 2:48 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Fullerton. Did you have an occasion to get stopped by the police on that day?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have a case on that day.
All right, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Did the officer who?
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why is that?
I had my license, but it wasn't valid.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service. Were you speeding on that day, ma'am?
I wasn't speeding, but he said I was, so
it sounds like
I ain't trying to argue it. Say that again.
You weren't speeding.
No, I was not speeding. I was at a light. I pulled to a light.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you weren't speeding and he didn't see you speeding before you got to the light.
Yeah, I just know I'm saying I'm not going against, but I know I wasn't going fast, and that's what I was saying to him. But he said he was gonna come to court and, say that I wasn't speeding. It was not me. I was trying to get out of the way of another car that was about to hit me. So I kind of moved over to that last lane to get out the way because he almost crashed into the pole that was right before I was about to get hit. So that was the problem at that day. But I was not speeding like flying.
I
got out the way.
I should have just asked for a stipulation on it because it says you were going 45 miles per hour in a 30-mile-an-hour zone. And that seems like you don't seem to know how fast you were going. I don't know.
I don't remember how fast I was going. I just know I was trying to get out of another.
So how do you know you weren't speeding then? You said you weren't speeding. How do you know you weren't speeding?
I'm gonna plead guilty to it because I don't.
You want me to ask you the question again?
Yes.
How do you know you weren't speeding if you don't know how fast?
I don't know. I just know I was getting out the way.
All right. So, will you admit to speeding then?
Yes, I'm admitting.
Well, that's hard to ask too. Miss Harris, you want to clean this up? I don't know. She doesn't know how fast she was going, but she says she wasn't speeding.
Ms. Gaines, were you able to provide valid registration or insurance that day? I'm sorry?
I said no, I'm sorry.
Can I have a moment to confer with Ms. Warren?
Well, if you want to amend I have a no proof of insurance amended to limited access 1 to 5. I'm sure that can be done, but go ahead. You want to confer with her? Go ahead.
Nope. Yes, I'll talk to her. One moment, please.
Yeah, I kind of put myself in a bad situation by asking her that, but because a lot of times people say I wasn't speeding, but then again, you tell me that you don't know how fast you were going. All right, go ahead, speak to her in the breakout room. Hold on, let Ms. Harris come back and see if it's back. It's something. Ms. Gaines, do you want to do some community service to clear up these other civil infractions? At least this one other civil infraction you have?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Harris?
So there is no amendment, Your Honor, but we can set it for a formal hearing.
And she's willing to do community service. I can't understand this.
Yes, she's willing to do community service. And Ms. Horn would have no objection to amending the no proof to the limited access 1 to 5 over.
Okay, so that is an amendment then, right?
Yes.
I don't understand why they can't just give her blocking traffic, but all right. You want to take the deal? You didn't have the insurance on that day, did you, Ms. Gaines?
No.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. I won't make you do any community service for that. I'll give you another 6 hours of community service for the no registration, for a total of 18 hours of community service. Did you get the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Harris, did you provide Ms. Gaines' number to Mr. Phillips?
I did, and to Ms. Fuente over here.
Mr. Phillips, did you have Ms. Gaines' number?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Gaines, I'm going to give you a review for October the 15th, 2025 at 8:25. We'll dismiss the misdemeanor and close the civil infraction out. We'll close this one up now that I didn't find you for. We'll close that out. And if you don't have anything further, Ms. Gaines, have a very good day and best of luck to you. 18 hours of community service for 6 for in lieu of fines and costs for the civil infraction and other 12 for the order for the allowing. We'll dismiss upon that. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too.
All right.
car break room.
Let's see.
It's like every floor got their own break room. They could just put a TV in there for us. Right, but. So we have like toaster ovens. Yeah, they all break out.
Were the officers breakout rooms on too?
With the food, where they sell the food.
Oh, that's not a breakout room. That's the cafeteria. That's just acting as their breakout.
Yeah, well, I said it wrong. We all got our own little cafeteria, little breakout area. Right, they got the cafeteria. We're not really supposed to sit down there. We're supposed to go to like our.
You don't have any vending machines in your thing, do you?
Not up here, but they down there too.
Oh, I didn't know.
Vending machines.
I know that, it's just everything you could use, basically, that's.
I mean, we can use them, but we're not supposed to sit. They're not gonna throw us out of there.
So that's their breakout. That's their breakout.
Yeah. Everybody break out.
I'm sure they used to have a cafeteria too, selling hot food or something.
Hey, we ain't never, I mean, I've been here, only since we've been getting restaurant, that's the first time. We've never had a cafeteria.
And where's restaurants posted up?
Well, restaurant is on second on 2, and so if you want like hot food, like hungry.
That's the cafeteria, right?
Right, and then different restaurants come in every day.
No, so they invade in on their,
And they were sitting there.
They were sitting here.
Yeah. That's how we get the hot food now. And that's a big help too, because.
That's, everybody buys that stuff up, no?
Pretty much, if it's good, like some of the restaurants that come back, like Galliano's, they real Mexican.
Morning. Good afternoon.
It's just. That is the 17. Oh, they having crazy Ginkgo's Mexican cantina. Prices is not bad.
I mean, if you want some of the best Mexican authentic cuisine, you need to go to Lupita's Tacos in Mexican Town. You won't get no more authentic than that. Cash only.
You said, what is it called?
Yeah, they are good.
Lupita's.
You said Lupita's?
Lupita's, Lupitas, and it's right in Mexican Town across from Evie's Tamales. Hands down, one of the most authentic, delicious, generous portions. Good prices.
It's not on the corner, it's the one next to the corner, right?
Correct. It's not right. It's not on the corner. It's on Bagley.
On Bagley.
It is very good.
Yep, and it's in between the Mexican Town restaurant and in between Sochi's gift shop.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm always on there.
Oh, you won't be disappointed.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Embry. Ms. Embry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, if she wishes to take advantage of the offer, if I can have just 1 second, Your Honor, because I did not see these tickets. I was putting up 434 and everything else.
Those other tickets, the disorderly conduct, that's been adjudicated a long time ago. That would have to go under the other person sentence her to that. What I could do is I could give her some extra community service hours in order to clear up the civil infractions. plea on her behalf on that, U 55709-420 case. And I'll send that back to, Miss Roberta Archer, Judge Roberta Archer on, October the 2nd for a pretrial. Well, I guess it wouldn't be a pretrial because it's already been tried. It's already been adjudicated. She was found guilty.
What was on the disorderly?
That's on the disorderly.
Could I have a moment, Your Honor?
You may.
Thank you.
I think the best restaurant on Junction. What is the one on Junction? Mm-hmm. Monteo.
I'm sorry, what'd you say, Your Honor?
The best restaurant, Mexican restaurant is on Junction.
Who said that? And Junction where?
I'll see.
Yeah, I've been to every restaurant on Junction, mind you. I've lived in this neighborhood 50 years. There's not a lot that gets past me, especially when they were talking about cuisine.
Los Corrales. Los Corrales.
Yeah, they're all right. They're all right. They're not great. They're all right. You know, it's more Americanized. Like they've been doing switching up some of the things. Like I stopped going to Los Galanes because they started putting sugar in their quesadillas because Americans wanted sweet.
In their quesadilla?
Yep. Yeah. Weird, huh?
Well, Miss Monteo just shot mine down.
Sorry. I mean, but to each his own. Everybody has a preference.
No, I like the one over there too. I've been there one time. It was good.
I be over there all the time.
He be everywhere all the time.
I live downtown, Ted. I've been down there for 20, almost 24 years.
Miss Embry returned to the breakout room 3, Mr. Dillon.
I was on Bell Island last night.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I went to the Register of Actions, and this case has not been resolved. And that is ticket.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Embry. All right, you said you went to the Register of Action, Mr. Dillon?
Yes, Your Honor.
What case?
Case Sam Paul SP 1758 5703 OM.
I thought those were the ones we were talking about today.
Yeah, that's the one. And you said the one you were saying that the disorderly had been.
No, it's another disorderly.
Oh, I'm not certain. I don't know about the other disorderly, Your Honor.
So this is what I said. You 557092420. Miss, that case has been resolved. That was another disorderly that Miss Embry guilty on July the 28th, 2023. She was fined $300. Now it's ballooned to $420. There was a warrant out for her arrest. I agreed to set the warrant aside because I don't want Ms. Embry leaving here with warrants on her, and she showed up to court. I'm going to give Ms. Embry a review date in front of Judge Archer on October 2nd, 2025 at 8:35, since that is Judge Archer's case. Now, for the matters that we have today, what is the offer for those matters?
Your Honor, the offer up today is if she pleads no contest to disorderly conduct, there's a recommendation of 3-month delayed sentence. And the other 2 charges that are before this honorable court today, there's a recommendation that they be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Embry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Dillard went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Dillard, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor.
And will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Dillard, I'm gonna. What is the purpose of the no contest plea? Basis for it?
Civil liability, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna enter a no contest plea for purposes of civil liability for the disorderly conduct. It's going to be treated as a guilty plea, ma'am. The sentence is going to be 12 hours community service. It'll be a 3-month delayed sentence. I'll in lieu of fines and costs for the other civil infraction, I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service for a total of 18 hours of community service. I do need a good phone number from you, Ms. Embry, for the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Yes. 586-231-4219.
And you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until December the 17th, 2025. You don't get another disorderly conduct and you do the community service hours, we'll dismiss this from your record. And keep in mind, you have another court date in front of Judge Archer on October the 2nd, 2025 to address that other disorderly conduct that you pled guilty to and the fines for that, okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, no more disorderly conduct, Ms. Embry.
I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best.
Let's see why it's so hard. All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Take care. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mullins. Mr. Mullins, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
This call is being recorded.
Ms. Harris says she's locked out. I'm not sure if she was counsel for it.
Who had the recall was being reported?
Appears to be Mullins, Your Honor.
Mr. Mullins, you put that call being recorded?
I was trying to let my boss see that I'm at court right now because he's messaged me, asking me why I'm not at work. So I was supposed to be at work an hour ago, so I wanted to show him I was at court.
You can't record the call, sir.
Okay, I'll take it off, sir.
This call is no longer being recorded.
All right, we'll give you a letter. If you need one. I wish you would have told me that you go to work. We would have got you out of here sooner, sir. I'm sorry about that.
I didn't want to interrupt your cases earlier this morning, Your Honor.
All right, very well. This is let's go back on the record with Mr. Mullins. Mr. Mullins, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to allowing for the driving on an expired license and to plead as charged to the seatbelt charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Mullins?
Yes, Your Honor. I was curious if I could just pay, but community service is fine.
All right, very well. I'm gonna. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir. I'm raising my right hand right now.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to August the 12th, 2025, around 8:25 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Grand River and Buchanan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Operating a motor vehicle
Yes, sir.
without a seatbelt?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir. I could not do that.
Why is that?
I never went back to take the road test when I had my permit, and I let it lapse. I had broken ribs last year and never got back up to do it. That's my fault.
Fine your client. Now, Mr. Mullins, either you take a failure to display, I'll fine you $240, or you take the allowing, I'll give you the 12 hours in the community service and the 6 hours, 18 hours total community service. So if the failure to display, it's going to abstract to your driver's license. So the Secretary of State will know about it, and it won't carry any points. It will, if you take the allowing, it will not abstract to the Secretary of State. So therefore, there won't be any points and no abstraction, and I'll dismiss upon completion of the community service hours. Which one would you like to do?
I'll take the allowing.
All right, allowing 12 hours of community service, and in lieu of fines and costs will be another additional 6 hours of community service for the seatbelt. So a total of 18 hours of community service. Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, sir. Mr. Berry provided that.
And I'm going to give you a review date for October the 15th, 2025, with the stipulation to dismiss the other matters.
I'm not trying to interrupt you, Your Honor. Is there any way it could be a later date than that? Because I work between 50 and 60 hours a week.
I'll give you until November the 19th.
Okay.
Do you want to do an additional 6 hours of community service to clear this other civil infraction up?
If that would help instead of having to pay a fine, yes.
24 hours community service will clear up. And I can't do anything about that $90 on the no ops though. That's okay. Another job. All right.
What happened with that, they took my tax money, and I have a paper they sent me that says the 36th district, I took it for traffic violations. And I have the paperwork. I took it down there, but they told me I had to bring my ID again to remove the warrant. But when I took it down there, it was supposed to have been took care of. That's why I'm not sure about that when I received that in the mail.
I don't want you leaving out of here with any warrants. I can do that. Let me see. All right, no, that's not in warrant status, sir.
Okay.
That's status. This other one, the warrant is gonna be gone, and so I'm gonna dismiss that case with stipulated probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters, Mr. Barry.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so 24 hours of community service, Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center review, 1119. Is this the best number to reach you at, Mr. Mullins?
Yes, sir.
All right, call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I wish you the best of luck, and I have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Phillips.